In this section, we're going to talk about another advanced technique, and that is rebuilding an object by section curves. Here we have our bizarre 3D alien type head object. What we're going to do is go to Curve, Curve from Object, Section. I'm going to start down here, and I'll show you what we're doing. I'm just kind of drawing a line at an angle. As we go along, slowly rotating the angle here. My base point is gradually moving from left to right. And I'm just left-clicking and then left-clicking again at the top. So let's take a look. These are now our section curves. I'm going to go here, create a new layer called Head, which I will turn invisible. I will then go to Object Properties and assign this to that layer so it disappears. Now here's our new curves. If I turn on control points, you can see that they're extremely busy. You can also see that this one has been broken into two separate curves. I'm going to create a skin between these, but because I can't use two separate curves, this one I'm going to delete, and this one I'm going to scale a little bit from here to here. Then what I'm going to do is just add a couple of points. One there, and I'll right-click and place one there. Let's select our curves, deselect our points, edit, rebuild, 20 points per curve. Make them a little smoother. Now let's select everything, surface, loft. As you can see, we've got something sort of bizarre going on. It's trying to connect end to end. Let's try Do Not Simplify and press OK and see what happens. One way to avoid that is to select everything but that last point, surface, and loft. And now we have one point going in one direction. If I choose Closed Loft, rebuild with 10 points, we have a much simpler shape. As you can see, the normals of this object are reversed, meaning we see it from the inside out. Your Normals tool is found here. This tool here can be used to flip mesh normals. So now let's delete our shape. I'm going to select all of our curves here. Use our Scale tool. Stretch them out. Surface, loft, closed loft. We'll check Do Not Simplify. And let's see what we've got. A shape created from section curves. Delete that. And then let's try again here. And now as you can see, since we've stretched out our shape, our points are taking place outside of the original shape, and we have a closed object. Delete our points. And you can see how the loft stretches to find the point. So again, the shape was created from section curves from an already existing shape.